The first letter of Krishna is K and the word is keen. That means very interested. In Hindi, utsuk. Mnemonic is king. Remember the word keen by keeping king in your mind because the pronunciation of both words are same. Let's see how to use this word in the sentence. No need to mention Krishna is the king of the world. It was Krishna Janmashtami and I was very keen and interested to celebrate it because for the first time I had observed the fast. Here are the words and method to remember all these vocabularies faster in a sequence and for a long time. The formula is Krishna, and with each letter of Krishna we will learn a new word with their meaning, picture and mnemonic, as well as we will learn how to use them in this sentence. So without any further delay, let's straight jump into the story. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so go and subscribe. R is the second letter of Krishna and the word is resolve, which means find out the answer. In Hindi, samadhan karna. Mnemonic is solve. It's believed that if someone is a true devotee of Krishna and can't solve his problems, then Krishna himself resolved all of his problems. Only he is the one who can find out the answer to any problem in this world. The third letter is I and the word is inert, which means who is not able to move or act, or lazy. In Hindi, alsi. Mnemonic is inner. I reached Kapil home to pick him up and then we both went to the temple. Kapil was wearing an inner. He is such an inert person and his dress shows that how lazy he is that he couldn't move his body to wear good clothes on this auspicious day. The next letter is S and the word is Shabby, which means who wears dirty and bad clothes. जो व्यक्ति फटे पुराने कपड़े पहनता है उसे सैबी पर्सन कहते हैं. Mnemonic is सभी. When we arrived at the temple, we saw some shabby people. All were wearing dirty and bad clothes. Kapil, you are also looking like them. I teased him and then went inside the temple. The next letter is H and the word is hymn, which means religious song. In Hindi, bhajan. Mnemonic is hymn. We offered puja to Sri Krishna. Then I saw a man who was singing Krishna's hymns. We went nearby him, sit there and sang the bhajans of Lord Krishna. The next letter is N and the word is narrate, means tell a story. कहानी सुनाना को narrate कहते हैं. Mnemonic is not plus rate equal to narrate. After hymns, the man narrated the stories of Krishna's childhood. I cannot give him any rate because the way he told the stories was beyond the rating. The last letter of Krishna is A and the word is acute, means a person who understands things easily. In Hindi, दिमाग से होशियार या तेज. Mnemonic is A plus cute equal to acute. A cute 6-year-old girl also joined us. She was very acute. She understood all the stories easily. After that, we returned to our respective homes. So guys, that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, so please like, share and comment the best word of the video. And join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, take care and enjoy.